parked. All right, let's go do our farm tour. Get off. All right. Come on, let's go. See, that's a great way to start a farm tour. But anyways, here's our Cat 277 skid steer. Got the tracks. Got the bucket, all the attachments out there. Then there's the Yamaha Grizzly 700. This one, EFI, it actually runs. Then you got that bad one over there. Old one. Yeah. Now we're moving on to our, oh, heck, what is it? It's our John Deere 8225. Where are you going? We'll start on our 8225 over. Climb up on in. Climb on in. Pretty comfy. Got a lot of room. Just show this cab. It's got a lot of space to it.
Got the buddy seat. Here's a cold start. I want to get copyrighted.
Bye.
Sounds like a jet charging up.
Shut up! Start it up. Yeah, it's pretty good. Good machine. Runs great in the field. Pretty good.
It runs grain cart.
Yeah, it runs a big grain cart. Alright, let's go. Next one.
Oh,
We got to the combine.
We gotta go out back. Still,
Why?
we had to show them what else we got. We
Move on
don't
to the
just
combine.
got what's in here.
Oh, this is just what's in the shop.
Yeah,
Let's move on to our combine. I don't even know what it is. It's been a long time since we've used it. The tires going flat. It's a 670. It's like a 2012 or something. This has got the good options on it. Foldable grain tank. Heck yeah. Still got the smell.
But it smells weird because there's rat poisoning in there, so we don't get rats while it sits.
It's got the fridge in it.
You know, we always got the grain door.
Got the fridge.
Yeah, it's got that.
Let me see.
Not
This
spray.
one.
Oh my gosh, that thing needs to be cleaned out. There's still water in there.
Oh, battery kills me. The battery's probably dead anyways. Always goes dead. Yeah, it's pretty good. We run an 8-row corn head over there. 8-row corn head. And back there we got a 35 draper head. Yeah. That's pretty much it about the combine. Holds a lot. Wow. It's got the power shift. Alright, let's move on to the grain car. We run on the 8R. I'll go out back and show you the old one later.
They're staying. Hard to hold this. Go down those steps. Whoever designed those steps for YouTubers are freaking idiots. Freaking idiots.
Let's go back and
They're idiots.
just show the drill. John Deere drill 450.
Don't know what year it is. Just like most of our stuff.
It's pretty nice.
Yeah. She's an old buffer.
Here's a 750 control grain cart. Runs on the 8225 as we showed. Bought it used. Ran good though.
Got her cement mixer.
Yeah, that's her.
Yeah.
Then we got our beautiful chaparral boat.
Yeah.
For 50 grand.
No, it wasn't. It was
Yep.
50.
It said 50 grand.
Oh, I thought you said 100.
50 grand. Then we got our 24-row planter. John Deere planter.
1770 NT. John Deere.
It's like a 2010.
Yeah, we bought it used, but it was only used for like 2 years. So yeah. There, we got our danger sticker. Don't play there. And then we got our hinky. Let me get up there.
Old auger got chopped off a bit.
Yeah, because it got backed into a hog pen, so it didn't really work. So we chopped it off. Here it is, and we hook it up to the 4020.
Here's the 4020 on the FMC shredder.
Start this sucker up.
This one we already started the day, so I cooled.
Yeah. Watch this. Watch all the smoke blow out. She's got a few holes in the muffler. Couple trees that fell on.
It's pretty good.
It's very slightly used.
Been taken care of.
Totally.
Except for that. But anyways, yeah. Got the power shift in her.
Yeah.
So you have to select the gear before you take off.
It's nice.
And there's a old Grizzly 660,
Yep.
600. Old one in the back. Then I got my 2021 Coolster dirt bike. Yeah, brand new. And there's the other 2021 Coolster dirt bike. That's 100 cc.
No, this is
110 cc, and that one's 125 cc.
Yeah. So got these brand new.
Anyways, one more thing in the shop. I gotta show you. It's the old loader tractor.
Yep.
Oh, here's his helmet.
That's the tractor that gets used the most. Pretty freaking tool.
Come up here. Look. This is our start.
And yeah, so the exhaust pointed backwards because, you know, we love when Cole rolls right into our cab. Well, not our cab, but our open.
Alright, this one
Windshield.
started today. It starts up.
She gets used on a daily basis.
Yeah. Got a nice loader. Oh, AC is working fine, but Jesus. It's so weird. Selector and B and just take off like this. Just like that, Bob.
Back her up. Watch out for the four-wheelers and the dirt bikes. Net.
All it takes.
That's all she wrote. And there's she revving up. So yeah, I think, is that the end?
No, we got other stuff out back.
Yeah, we gotta go
Take the
to our
four-wheeler.
out back stuff.
Start. Go. Start up forward. There she goes.
I'm surprised she ain't blowing black smoke after we lifted it up. Well, not, I mean white.
There's our old seat tender trailer. We sold the seat tender off of it.
Yeah, that gooseneck one.
Yeah.
Got the
We got-
four-wheeler trailer.
Yeah, there's the
2 dump trucks that don't get
dump
used.
truck. The other one.
The skid loader trailer. The big, huge skid loader bucket.
And there's pound forks.
The wood
Switch
tractor.
sides. There's the scraper.
Pretty fritten tool. The audio on this bitch is gonna be so bad.
And then we got the bale spike to the back of the tractor, bale spike for the front of the tractor. And then we got the tree puller, post hole digger, the tat, other post holes, the bale spike, we got it made, and the pedal weights for that. Also, as you can see all the way down there, that's the 8850 with the ripper on it.
Her name is Big Bertha.
Then we got another panel trailer.
Got jump trucks.
That one's custom built. Then we got the other skid loader trailer we don't use. Post trailer. Old pickup on. And then here's our custom built paddle chute. Yeah, pretty nice.
We got quite a bit of custom built stuff.
There's our travel long gooseneck stock trailer. We
53-footer grain trailer,
We got our
bale trailer,
we got the Freightliner with the cattle part on the back. Then we got the white Freightliner with the the bale trailer. Airbags shot up on the back. That was probably us.
no, those are just shot in that trailer.
Now we got our Landau Turbo Till right here. Very nice. There's the old Seal trailer.
We still use it, but we got the scraper.
Here's the old grain cart restart on the 8R. I think now this year we're running on the loader tractor. There's the old cattle field. Now we got our fertilizer right there. And yeah,
This is our little dirt bike track.
we got full equipment out here.
Some junk. We got the bales.
Hey, operation goes down.
Silage pile. For
So,
watching, so
don't smack the goddamn camera. But anyways, yeah, that's the end of the video. We got a couple other trucks we'll show you some other time. Yeah, but anyways, alright, bye.
without further ado, thanks for watching.